Hello YouTube friends and welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you the unboxing and first look of a new knife from a new brand that I got. This will be the REVO knives. And this is the model Warden. The model number is REV 007 TAN. And this will be another budget-friendly or value-oriented brand out of China, of course. We have lots of great value knives being released in 2023. So this is probably one of the last new brands that I will add this year to the channel. So unfortunately, they did not offer any knives in brown micarta, so the next best thing is brown G10. So like they say, this is an excellent example of value and function, and I'm really intrigued about it, since I did not see a assisted opening knife lately from a new Chinese company. Most value-oriented companies are doing just manual opening knives. So this was really interesting to see a probably some kind of torsion bar assisted opener, like something like Kershaw does on their knives. So let's give me the specifications. So we have a overall length of 19 centimeters or 7.5 inches. So definitely if you're looking for a medium to small sized EDC, it will fit the bill. The blade is 7.8 centimeters or 3.1 inch. The blade width is 2.2 centimeters, 0.86 inches. Thickness is 2.6 millimeters or 0.1 inch. Hand length is 11.2 centimeters or 4.4 inches, with a thickness of 1.3 centimeters or 0.5 inches. Another interesting feature here is the G10 thumb studs or thumb plates, or whatever you would like to call it. And not a lot of knife makers, knife producers are using this kind of feature here. So it is really nice to see. It really nicely grabs your mid of your thumb, and you have a really nice position with this milled out portion here. And since this is a assisted opening knife, you have to overcome, let's say, around 30%, and then it will fly open, so positively every time. As far as materials goes, since this is a budget or value-oriented brand, we have 9CR type of blade steel, but they give us a really nice stonewash finish, and this is what I prefer to have on my EDC knives, just because it helps with the scratches and with the fingerprints and smudges and so on. So definitely well done, REVO, right here. As far as handles construction goes, we have this is a milled Coyote brown G10. We have full liners, since they have to hide the torsion bar, of course. Other side is not milled out either, and they are stainless steel. As far as locking goes, we have a liner lock, pivot assembly. It rides on caged ball bearing washers, so I would suggest, if you don't like the assisted feature, you definitely should de-assist this. And let me see, there is a D10 ball on the liner lock, so there should be no problem to de-assist this knife. Another neat feature are the back spacers. So they are not just your flat barrel spacers, but they are milled out, and I don't know if this is kind of plastic, or it looks like plastic to me. Maybe G10, I don't know. So as far as pocket clip goes, this is another really excellent feature on this knife. If you have partial deep carry pocket clips, so this is folded bended, and it has a really light to medium tension. So this is what you would like to have on your EDC knife to be not cumbersome to take it out, up and down out of your pocket. Unfortunately, for some reasons, they went with the dome screws. Let's face it, they are not the only company that doing this, but I would like to have flat screws to potentially not have a snagging point on your pocket. As far as centering goes, it is a little bit to the right, as I can see it right there. As far as marking goes, we only have the REVO logo, which is not that large and obtrusive, so nicely done also there on this point. I'm happy to report that this is a ambidextrous knife completely, since we have the double thumb studs, and we have also a milled out pocket for the nested part of the pocket clip. So all my left-handed carry users, this is a good choice also for you. As far as weight goes, it is a 91.1 gram or 3.2 ounces. So if they would skeletonize the upper, or sorry, the lower scale, and they would definitely shave off a few tenths of an ounce, in my opinion. Now let's see the sharpness out of the box. So it has a flat grind, it's really nice drop point configuration. This is what you would like to have on, let's say, on a all-around EDC knife, because you can poke things, open packages, slicing open fruit and maybe vegetables or some food, and definitely it will fit really nice and comfortable in the hand. You can also choke up a little bit if you like. It's up to you. For me personally, I have an XL size hand. I can definitely grab it positively, but for me it is a 3-finger affair, mainly due to the arching on the curve of the scales. They did try to have it some more neutral as possible, but if you have large hands, this will definitely dig up in your pinky. Reverse grip is yeah, something similar. You can position up your hand maybe like this, but keep that in mind. This is a 7.5-inch knife, so there's definitely not that much space in here to begin with. But if this portion would be flat, then it will be much better for large hands. Okay, so now see the pocket profile. Like I mentioned, this has a medium tension pocket clip, so it goes inside without any problems. But keep in mind it can shake out if you maybe doing some jumping or these sorts of things. This is how much it will be sticking out. So really nice. We have a R logo on the pocket clip. As far as variants go, you can choose from either the drop point or the tento configuration. There is also a flipper variant, so the tentos will be all flippers, if I'm not mistaken. And drop point variant, you can choose from black G10, brown, black, and gray micarta. And the tento variations have sorry, all are G10. There is no micarta. Sorry about that. So you can choose from black G10, brown G10, and then you can choose from the flipper versions, which are in black and gray. And if you would like to have a tento, then they are available in brown, black, gray, orange, G10. So now let's talk a little bit of the pricing. The MSRP of the drop point non-flipper configuration is $60. Usually you will go and find them on sale for around $36 to $40. So around $40, or let's say for around 40 euros. If you can grab one of these, then they are definitely a sweet spot in that realm of well, what I would consider as budget or value friendly knife options. Great for great for gifting or to just add to maybe some other present if you would like to give somebody. The 9CR, I would say nowadays I would like to see at this price point either a D2 or some kind of sandwich steel, but yeah, they did try to keep the price as low as possible. The 10th version, the MSRP is $70, and usually they will go for around $49, depending on your preferred dealer. Okay, so now let's see a few size comparisons, and also because we have a value-oriented market right now, there are lots of competitors to this let's say position of the price and value and features. So firstly, let me bring out my old and trusty Kaiser Backlighter 2. So if you are looking for something larger with a neutral side hand, I cannot praise this knife enough. You are getting N690 blade steel, nice linen micarta scales, different configurations available, also 10, also flipper, also G10. For around the MSRP is a little bit higher, around $100, but usually these will cost around $66 to under $70. So definitely, yes, you have to pay more, but you are getting a really nice knife. So this was the Backlighter 2. Then of course one of the newcomers this year is the Bestech Man Dundee. So this is a budget or value oriented brand from Bestech, and this year they released a whole bunch of G10 variants and 2 micarta variants. This is the brown linen micarta, which was Knives and Tool exclusive, and they released also the black linen micarta, which was Blade HQ exclusive. So unfortunately, I don't know if these are still available. Maybe in the future they will be, but also if you are looking for something nice and you don't mind getting G10, then check out the Dundee. Then from Kubi, this year I got the Ruckus, also a really nice knife, MSRP around $70, so you are getting them much cheaper on the with the dealer sale pricing. From Osprey, from QSP, I have here the Osprey, which is also an excellent neutral style working knife configuration. From Sencut, which is also a major value-oriented brand from CVV, this is the Neshes, and as you can see, this has a similar configuration with just the Philip Lipper, which is also available if you would like to have it. And okay, let's go even lower the pricings for around $25. Here is the Tuna Fire or Free Tiger. Let me check it. The model number is GT or FT959. These do not have names, but they offer tremendous value at around $25. You are getting micarta and D2, deep carry pocket clip. Yeah, really nice. If you'd like to have something with clip point, then here is the 958 at almost the same size. So you are getting D2 and nice canvas micarta. Okay, now let's continue with some models that I feature usually here on my channel. So this is the CVV Elementum. If you don't mind to pay a little bit more, then check it out. And here is also a QSP Penguin. So these are two bestsellers for these two companies. Let's see a all-time Hall of Fame. This is the Benchmade Mini Griptilian. From Petrified Fish, I have here the 949X, the small warrior. Excellent knife if you are looking for a nice small flipper. There is also a large version, of course. Here is the Benchmade Reptilian. CRKT Pillar 1, sorry. Paramilitary 3. Let's continue with the Spyderco Delica. Red Model 2. Rough Rider Peanut. Cold Steel Recon Mini. And let's close it down with the K-Bar Dozier Folding Hunter. So these are obviously made in China, if I not mention it right now, so I'm doing it at this point. And if you're looking for another budget-friendly brand, then check out REVO knives. They definitely have some interesting designs. I don't know why they're not using micarta. Maybe in the future they will be. So if you're looking for something maybe more futuristic, then they also have a few interesting products available. Okay, so if you have any questions, please leave comments down below. I'm more than happy to reply as soon as I can, of course. If you're a subscriber, thank you very much. Big thumbs up to you. And if you're not a subscriber, then please consider subscribing to not miss any future videos. With that being said, I wish you a wonderful day. I hope to see you soon. Bye.